How to reset YouTube recommendations. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can reset YouTube recommendations. So let's dive in. First, open your YouTube app and then you have to just click your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now click the settings here on the top right corner and then it's going to bring you to this interface. In this interface you'll find this Your Data in YouTube option. Click it. And now wait for this page to load, and once the page loads you have to scroll down until you see this option of YouTube search history, because your recommendations are based on these search histories. So first you have to just click this arrow over here and then you have to wait for this page to load, and now you simply have to delete all the activity over here. Just click delete activity older than 36 months and then you have this option of auto delete activity older than this. Just click it and here you can see you have these options. Select 36 months over here, or you can, regardless of your choice, you can always delete anything manually. So you can just choose to delete everything manually as well and then click next. And now you have to click delete now, and once you delete your YouTube search history you have to just go back over here on the same page, and here you'll have this your YouTube watch history. You simply have to click this option over here and then you have to turn it off. So simply click turn off over here, and once you click turn off it's going to just bring you to this page. Click pause and then it's going to bring you to this page over here. You simply have to click got it. So now my YouTube watch history is also turned off, and then you have to just go back, and now you simply have to go to this option that says notifications. Click it, and here you'll find this recommended videos option. Simply disable it by clicking this blue button. And that's how you reset your YouTube recommendations. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.